Namaskar children, how are you? We hope you and your family are safe. Our prayers are always with you. Okay, welcome to today's chemistry class. Chemistry is very much related to our day-to-day life. We can give so many examples for it. Now itself we can give example like sanitizer. Okay, do you know which is the most important component of sanitizer? Yes, alcohol. Okay, can you give me the function group present in alcohol? OH. Very good. Okay, all of you keep it in your mind. You have to wash your hands with soap or use sanitizer in order to avoid viral infectious diseases. Okay. Do you like pickles? Yes, most of them like pickles, but don't take too much. It's not healthy. Okay. Okay. Then can you give me some examples for preservatives which we are using in pickles? Yes, salt. Yes, sugar. Okay, vinegar. Okay, very good. Then do you know which compound is known as vinegar? Yes, aqueous solution of acetic acid is known as vinegar. Okay, or we can say that 5 to 8% concentrated solution of acetic acid is known as vinegar. Okay, all these you have studied in your lower classes. Okay, and today we are going to study about important chemical properties of carboxylic acid. Important chemical properties of carboxylic acid. Okay, in which we are going to study about reaction of carboxylic acid with weak base. Reaction of carboxylic acid with weak base. Okay, then I am going to explain this reaction with the help of an experiment. All of you watch carefully. Okay, now I am taking sodium bicarbonate, then now I am going to add vinegar. It's easily available acid. Okay, listen all of you. Okay, all of you listen. You can see a lot of bubbles formed here. Okay, do you know which gas is evolved here? Yes, carbon dioxide gas. Clear? This reaction is also an example for neutralization reaction. It is a reaction between acid and base. Okay, watch carefully. The reaction is still going on. Okay, watch carefully all of you. Now, carbon dioxide gas is evolved. Okay. Clear all of you? Okay. Okay. Now I am going to write the chemical equation for this reaction. Okay. Now we take acid. Which acid we take? Yes, acetic acid, CH3COOH, plus which base? Yes, sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3. And which are the ions present in this compound? CH3CO minus and H plus, then Na plus and HCO3 minus. And during the reaction, this Na plus will be attracted by this CH3CO minus and this H plus is attracted by this HCO3 minus. Thus we can write the products are CH3COO minus and this Na plus, we get CH3COONA. This is the corresponding salt formed in this case. CH3COO minus is known as acetate ion. Okay. The product formed here, the salt formed here is sodium acetate. Okay. Plus this H plus and this HCO3 minus. This compound is known as carbonic acid. H2, H plus combined with HCO3 minus gives H2CO3. This compound is known as carbonic acid. It is unstable due to unfavorable charge separation. Therefore, it decomposes to give water and carbon dioxide. Okay, carbon dioxide gas is evolved. Okay, clear all of you? The products are sodium acetate, water and carbon dioxide. Okay, is it clear? Now I am going to revise today's topic. All of you listen carefully. Today we discussed about important chemical properties of carboxylic acid, and we discussed reaction of carboxylic acid with weak base. Here we take acetic acid and sodium bicarbonate reaction. Then we got the products sodium acetate, water and carbon dioxide. Is it clear? It's a very important reaction for your practical examination also. For your practical examination, you have to do one experiment. Detect the presence of functional group present in the given organic compound. In that case, for the detection of carboxyl group, you can do the same experiment. Okay, very important reaction. You have to write this reaction in your notebook and study that. Okay, today's assignment question. Do you know the common name for this sodium bicarbonate? Yes, baking soda. Then which compound is known as baking powder? Both have the same formula, NaHCO3. Then my question is, how baking soda is different from baking powder? Clear? How baking soda is different from baking powder? Or can we use baking powder instead of baking soda for baking cakes? How they differ in their action chemically? Okay? Clear all of you? Okay, you can do this question for your next class as an assignment question. Okay? Thank you children. Namah Shivaya.